Techno Industrial Products offers 2304 series SSY strainer in SS304 material. All valve of these series are manufactured as per ASTM B16.34 standard, and we are committed to provide best quality at affordable prices. These valves are widely used in high-quality demanding industries such as pharma, dairy, edible oils, sugar, paper, etc. Heavy-duty industrial boilers and dryers, irrigation industry, HVAC system, compressed air and gas systems, and pneumatic fixtures, etc., and much more you can think of. Main purpose of this is to avoid choking of the line due to slurry, grease, or other objects that cause blockage in a pipeline. As we can see, many dirt particles in the pipeline along with fluid are running into the pipeline system, but this strainer does not allow them to move forward in the line. Available in various sizes to support your working. Thanks for watching.